Hey there, this is TR, and in this video we are going to unbox MIVI Duopod M80 and a review of it. So this is how the box looks like. Yeah, MIVI's new tagline, push the limit. And on the back side of the box there is some key specifications, that is powerful bass, 30 hours of battery life, one touch gesture, noise cancellation, aptX codec and sweat proof with IPX4.0 certification. Here they have written designed and engineered in India. Of course, it's an Indian brand. And here are some details about MIVI and product price. The price mentioned on the box is 5,999, but you will get it for 2,999 on Amazon. So check the Amazon link in the description for latest price. Let's open the box. These are the things you will get in the box. That is warranty card. You will get 1 year warranty on this product. To avail warranty, take a photo of your invoice and WhatsApp the photo on this number. Some paperwork. Welcome card and a product manual. USB to Type-C charging cable. Yes, it's a Type-C cable. That's a good thing. And some extra ear tips, medium and large. So let's wrap up the box and take a look at main product. So here's the capsule with MIVI branding on the top. On back side you will get charging port, and on front side you will get charging indicators. Let's open the capsule. Capsule is very compact and lightweight. Let's take these earbuds out. It's a glossy black finish with MIVI branding, and on branding part there is a touch sensor. On first look, the earbuds really looks nice. You can see that blinking red and blue light. This means these buds are now in pairing mode. When you place the buds inside the capsule, then the earbuds goes to charging mode. That red light indicates that. And these two blinking lights are indicating that both earbuds are charging. It will stop when charging gets finished. And the middle three lights are charging indicator for capsule itself. Time to connect the earbuds with phone. First get the earbuds out from capsule and turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. You will see MIVI Duopods M80, tap on it, then tap on pair. Now it's connected. Let me play some music so I can show you some touch gestures. Single tap on any earbud will play or pause the song. I guess there is 0.5 second delay. Due to copyright issue, I muted the sound. You can double tap on right earbud to play next song and double tap on left earbud to play previous song. Triple tap on any earbud will activate Google Assistant. Turn on flashlight. Now the review part. In any wireless earbud, there is mainly three things to consider. First, build quality, second, battery life, and third, and the most important thing, sound quality. First, let's start with build quality. Earbuds build quality is really good, and I don't have much complaint with it. Actually, I dropped earbuds 2 to 3 times accidentally and I haven't faced any damage. It's durable and comfortable to ears as well. I use these earbuds around 5 hours and it's comfortable. Capsule quality is also good, it's lightweight and durable as well. Now battery life. As I said, I use these earbuds around 5 hours. Yes, on single charge I get 5 hours of runtime. And the capsule can recharge these earbuds around 3 to 4 times on single charge. The capsule gets between half an hour to 1 hour to get fully charged. So on battery life I don't have any problem considering the price of 2,999. It's the excellent thing you can get. And now the most important thing, sound quality. I'm not the sound specialist, so I can't tell you how's the treble, mids, high, etc. And you are also not interested in that as well. I'm the consumer telling you sound quality is good for the price you are paying. It's not bad or best if you're comparing to Apple AirPods, you know the price difference. Bass is also good, and in call quality, it's decent. I expected much more. Now the conclusion. Yes, you can buy these earbuds, it's good considering the price of 2,999. And you'll get the Best Buy link in description. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.